What's going on, guys? This is Nelson from Petrol Juice here, and today I have a 2021 Toyota Highlander XLE all-wheel drive. And this one I was able to drive about 2 hours and experience it a little bit, and it's got a few packages on it. It's really nice, really comfortable, and it's a slight exterior difference from the 2019-2020s. They really are a comfortable ride, and especially with the captain seats in the back, you'll be able to see here automatic lift gate. It's able to tow 5,000 pounds. It's an all-around really great package. So I hope you guys enjoy this little short video here. Get to show you around, and I'll be uploading a 2021 Toyota Highlander Limited video, including an acceleration, driving, POV, all the good stuff. So take care, guys. Hope you have a good one, and I'll see you in the next one.